When your customer needs a replacement electric heater, remember, there's always an option with Totaline. What's the heater you're replacing? If you have the part number, enter it in the cross-reference field. Note that as you start typing, a drop-down menu pops up showing different model number options. Choose the correct one, and there's your Totaline replacement heater. Or search by heater specs, like the required kilowatts, type of protection, circuit breaker or fuse, and so on, whether the heater is for a standard or low current application, the voltage, phase, or the application. You don't need to know all of them. Enter as many as possible. Now, if you see an FC at the beginning of the part number in the results, that motor is for fan coil units. And if you see a CP, it's for small packaged products. Then you can refine your search using the filter buttons below the results. You can also export the parts list to an Excel doc and use the drop-down menu here to select and search different product families if needed. And if you have any problems, contact customer service.